Good morning, YouTube family. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to make some pralines, and this is my first time making pralines, and I found a recipe that I think will work good for me, and I want to share it with you. It's very easy. So let me tell you what you're going to need. So you're going to need a half a stick of butter, a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, a third cup of whipped cream, 1.5 cups of pecans, and a cup of powdered sugar. So you're going to take your heavy whipping cream, and I made this is half and half. I didn't feel like making any whipped cream, so I put half and half in there. I have a stick of butter in the saucepan and the cup of brown sugar, and it's on medium heat. It says let it come to a boil, so you're going to let it melt and come to a boil. So you're going to need some parchment paper, and it says to put it on a pan, and this is just the way I did it. So I'm back to my pan. It's almost melted. I'm just stirring it around, and it says to constantly stir. It has not came to a boil yet, but it will in just 1 second. Okay, so here it is starting to come to a boil. So I've set my timer for 1 minute. So it says stir constantly for 1 minute. After that, you're going to take it off the heat, and it says whisk in your powdered sugar, but I'm just going to stir it in because I don't want to use a metal whisk. I do not have a plastic whisk. So I'm just going to stir this in until it's all combined. It also says to move quickly, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm just moving quickly. Next, I'm going to add my teaspoon of vanilla and also my pecans. And they say to use pecan halves, but I just went ahead and used my whole pecans. You're going to stir that in, and it says to stir it in until the mixture is smooth and the mixture is cool. Not till it's completely hard, but you just stir it all in until the mixture cools off just a bit. Then it says to spoon the mixture onto the parchment paper. So then it says to let it sit for 30 minutes. They also said you can put it in the ice box if you are impatient, but I have other things to cook because my honey is coming home and I'm so excited. And my sister usually makes these around Christmas time, and he loves them, so I hope he likes mine as well. Well, I hope you try out this recipe. Mine are kind of thick, but they're very soft. Just like, I love them. I don't even know what to say. They're sweet, they're soft, they're delicious. And so I was excited to make these. It was fun, it was easy, and I hope you try this recipe. I love you guys, and until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.